Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience using the product or service. StartApp, found at StartApp.com, offers a comprehensive mobile monetization and app distribution platform. Designed with developers in mind, StartApp provides a suite of tools and resources geared towards maximizing revenue generation from mobile applications. Their offerings cater to a broad spectrum of app developers, from indie creators to established studios. A key component of StartApp's platform is their in-app advertising SDK, which enables developers to seamlessly integrate various ad formats into their apps. These formats often include interstitial ads, video ads, native ads, and rewarded video ads, giving developers flexibility in how they choose to monetize their user base. Beyond just providing the technical tools for ad implementation, StartApp also offers advanced analytics and reporting features. This data empowers developers to understand user engagement with their ads, optimize ad placements for better performance, and ultimately increase their overall revenue. The platform's focus on user experience is evident in their efforts to provide relevant and engaging ads, minimizing disruption to the app's functionality and maximizing user retention. StartApp also boasts a vast global network, ensuring a wide reach for advertising campaigns and a consistent flow of ad revenue for developers. For developers looking to expand their app's reach, StartApp also provides app distribution services, helping them connect with a broader audience. This multifaceted approach positions StartApp as a valuable partner for developers looking to effectively monetize and distribute their mobile applications, ultimately contributing to the success of their app in the competitive mobile market. StartApp's platform is constantly evolving to meet the dynamic demands of the mobile advertising landscape, ensuring that developers always have access to cutting-edge tools and resources. Their commitment to innovation and developer success makes them a compelling option for anyone seeking to effectively monetize their mobile apps. So, if you are looking to maximize your app's revenue potential, definitely check out StartApp at StartApp.com.